In 2019, researchers from Case Western Reserve University published a study on blue dasher dragonflies. This species is found throughout most of the United States, but they suspected that the amount of coloration on the wings varied depending on how far north or south an individual lived. They studied hundreds of photos of blue dashers and discovered that there was indeed a difference. The individuals in the northern part of their range had more wing coloration than individuals in the south. Additional work indicated that this wing coloration is important in thermoregulation. The blue dashers in the north have darker wings to help them stay active in the comparatively lower temperatures, while southern blue dashers are plenty warm without any additional help from their wings. The Case Western researchers used a powerful tool to find the photos for their study, a wildlife documentation platform called iNaturalist. The iNaturalist smartphone app and website give people worldwide a space to share photos of any living organism along with the date, time, and location. Nearly 50 million photos have been submitted so far, including over 38,000 photos of blue dashers. And the team at Case Western are not the only researchers using iNaturalist data in their work. To date, nearly 800 scientific publications have made use of data from iNaturalist, making it an increasingly valuable data source for scientists worldwide. While iNaturalist is an amazing tool for researchers, it's also a great tool for nature enthusiasts. By simply uploading a photo of a species with basic information about when and where you saw it, your observations become immediately visible to researchers, nature enthusiasts, children doing science fair projects, and many more. And with its built-in image recognition algorithm, iNaturalist even suggests identifications for the photos you submit, making it an awesome tool to learn more about which species you have living all around you. So let's think of a question we can answer with iNaturalist. How many insect species can we find in North Carolina? The North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences invites you to help us find out by joining the 2020 BugFest BugBlitz, an iNaturalist adventure exploring the thousands of species of arthropods that call North Carolina home. Simply grab your phone or camera anytime between Monday, September 14th and Sunday, September 20th, and snap a photo of any arthropod you see. Don't forget that arthropods are animals with exoskeletons, like insects, spiders, crayfish, and even millipedes. Then upload your photos to iNaturalist through the smartphone app or the website. Thanks to the identification tool and the helpful identification suggestions of fellow nature lovers on iNaturalist, you don't even need to know what species you found. Using iNaturalist is simple. Download the app, open it, and create an account. Then go on an arthropod adventure and snap photos of any species you find by tapping the Observe button, either the camera button you see on this iPhone or the plus button on Android. Confirm that the date, time, and location are all correct. If you're submitting from home and don't want others to see your exact location on iNaturalist, tap the Geoprivacy button and select Obscured so that you are the only person who can see your exact location. Then tap What Did You See to run the identification tool. Select the species that best fits the animal you saw, focusing on the species that say both visually similar and seen nearby under the photo. If you have a lot of choices and are not exactly sure which one you saw, no problem. Simply choose the lowest level of identification that you are certain of. In this example, you could choose garden whites if you weren't sure it was a cabbage white. You can also type a more general identification like butterflies into the search box and choose that instead. Once you have the best identification you can make, hit the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Your photo and the data will be sent to iNaturalist automatically. Want to use Wi-Fi instead of your phone's data plan to submit your photos? Tap the Settings button, the cog icon on this iPhone, and turn off the automatic upload setting. Take your photos as usual, then simply connect to a Wi-Fi signal before tapping the Upload button at the top of the screen to send all of your images to iNaturalist at once. Or submit your photos through the iNaturalist website instead. We are very excited to see which arthropod species are active in our state and what's living near you. As a BugBlitz participant, you'll discover the arthropods living all around you and share your observations with scientists worldwide who want to learn more about the natural world. We've even got prizes for the people with the most observations and the most species. How many arthropod species can you find? Get in the BugFest spirit with the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences BugFest BugBlitz and help us find out together.